What's up? It's the Prelude dude, and today I'm taking this Deadlude up some frickin' mountains. They're little ones, but you know, it's a start. We're gonna see if it's a good idea or not. Yeah, I'm not worried about stopping, but let's hope I don't throw a rod going up the mountain. But yeah, it's my first video since I've landed here in Tucson. I'm gonna show you around a little bit, show you some of the places I like so far, and then maybe we'll throw in some fun stuff with the car. But, all right, let's get it started. Let's check out some mountains. Now this is what I call home now. It's a beautiful sight. Alright, before we continue on to Gates Pass, I'm going to stop here and check out this other road just because it's got a bunch of little dips through it and it's pretty fun to drive down in my streetcar. So let's mess around in the Deadlude. Yeah! My favorite place to hang out so far. You can just pick any direction and climb a mountain. But besides that, the view when you crest over here is just amazing. You get to look out over old Tucson. Alright people, don't slow down too much. I need to carry some speed. Alright, shifting down to third. Going up. Alright, people. This is a much bigger test for my car than a mountain, that's for sure. Alright, now check out this view. That's what I'm talking about. Ready? Roller coaster, no hands! No throttle. We are going to throw it into third gear though. thing's pushing, you know, it's got 187,000, you know, beat to piss freaking miles on it. Yeah, you've seen it since I've had it. I mean, I had it for a while before I started the channel, and I've done nothing but beat on it since. You know, little maintenance, but I mean, everything needs maintenance. All right, let's keep going a little further down the hill, and I'll give you the perspective of where the hell we just came from. No hands. Woo! Whoa. Let's see if I can even show you where we just came from. I don't see any cars going up there right now. Let's see, right between those crests, that's where we came up over the mountains up there. And then we came all the way down here. We're still really not at the bottom of the valley. We're still ways down. But, you know, it's been fun. I just want to say thank you if you made it this far in the video. Really, we're just hanging out today. We're not really doing anything too crazy. Had some fun on a few roads and came up a couple mountains. So, you know, maybe soon we'll take on the treacherous Mount Lemon. That's supposed to be like 9,000 feet in the air. So, we'll check that out soon maybe. But for now, if you like the video, you like my previous videos, just, you know, hit that subscribe button. Let me know. Contact me. I'm pretty easy to talk to. Hit me up on Instagram. Let me know what you want to see. And pretty soon we'll start working on some actual stuff with the car. Life's taking up a lot of my time, but that's starting to settle down. We'll get moving more on the car project and have some fun in Tucson. But yeah, I'm the Prelude Dude. This is the Parts Guys, and thanks for hanging out today.